औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. How are you all? I hope all of you doing well. Today I am going to teach you English of prep class for the lecture number 7. First of all, you have to move at English planner on English workbook page number 11, week 7. You have to mention date and day from first block to last block of week 7. Now open English reading book page number 16. First of all, mention date and day on top of page. Unit 12. Our topic is concept of this and these. Meaning of this and these. This means ye, and also meaning of these is ye. We use this for one object and we use these for more than one or two objects. And we use these for the objects that are more than one and they are near to us. Near to us mean करीब जो हमारे होते हैं. We have already learned about this in our previous lectures. Now start reading with me. This is a rat. This one is one. And we use this for one thing, one object, one animal. And rat, this one is singular. This is a rat. ये एक rat है. Rat means चूहा. These are rats. We use these for more than one objects. Rats. Look at this. Here we have two rats. It means these are singulars and these are near to us. These are rats. And the next one is, this is a cup. Look at this cup. Cup is singular and this cup is near to us. This is a cup. ये एक cup है. And the next, these are cups. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cups. And these are more than one. It means these cups are plural. We use these for plural things, plural objects, plural animals, plural things. These are cups. Next, this is a book. Look at this. This one is singular. Book, one object. We use this for one and book is near to us. That's we used here. This is a book. ये एक किताब है. These are books. Here we have 3 books. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where here we have 4 books. It means these are more than one. We use these for more than one and these are plural. On this page we have concept of this, that, no, this, these and singular and plural. These are books. Next. This is a duck. Duck, batak, duck. This one is singular and we use this for one object and we use this for singular. And duck is near to us. It means we used here this. This is a duck. And the next is these are ducks. Here we have 2 ducks. We use these for more than one objects, more than one things. These are ducks. This is a ring. A ring. One ring. It means one ring. We use this for one thing. This is a ring. These are rings. Here we have 1, 2. We have 2 rings. It means these are plural. We use these for plural objects. Okay, we have done. Now turn the page. Page number 17. Mention date and day. Unit 13. Our topic is use of my and your. My mean मेरा. Your mean तुम्हारा, आपका. My is used when we talk about myself and your is used when we talk to another person. My, मेरा we used when we talk about myself, जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं. And your is used when we talk to another person. We used your जब हम किसी दूसरे के बारे में, किसी दूसरे इंसान के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use your. Let's start reading with me. This is my bag. This is my bag. This one boy is saying, this is my bag. ये मेरा बैग है. My, मेरा. This, ये. This is my bag. ये मेरा बैग है. And this one boy is saying to this girl, that is your clock. ये, that, वो. That is your clock. वो आपकी घड़ी है. ये बच्चा कह रहा है ये मेरा बैग है और वो तुम्हारी, आपकी घड़ी है. इट्स मीन, ये यहाँ पे ये बताना चाह रहा है कि बैग मेरे करीब है. इट्स मीन हेयर वी यूज दिस. और क्लॉक जो है वो इससे दूर है. इट्स मीन यूज दैट एंड योर. वो तुम्हारी या आपकी घड़ी है. एंड द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज दिस इज माई डॉग. दिस वन बॉय इज सेइंग दिस इज माई डॉग. ये मेरा डॉग है. माई, मेरा. एंड ही इज सेइंग टू दिस गर्ल दैट इज योर कैट. दैट इज योर कैट. वो आपकी बिल्ली है. वो आपकी बिल्ली है. दैट मीन वो. We use that when something singular is far from us, and we use this when something singular is near to us. That is your cat. वो आपकी बिल्ली है. And the next one is my book is small. My book is small. मेरी book छोटी है. This one girl saying my book is small. And this one girl saying to this boy your ball is big. आपकी बॉल बड़ी है. बिग, बड़ी. योर बॉल इज बिग. आपकी बॉल बड़ी है. ये किताब, दिस वन बुक इज नियर टू दिस गर्ल एंड दिस वन बॉल इज far from this girl. Okay. Next, my doll is small. This girl saying my doll is small. मेरी गुड़िया छोटी है. And your bell is big. और आपकी बेल बड़ी है. This girl saying to this boy your bell is big. आपकी बेल बड़ी है. Okay, we have done. Now look at the board. English workbook page number 38 to 43. Complete sentences by using this is a, these are. Here we have concepts of a, are, in. We have already learned we use a before the words beginning with consonants, and we used n before the words beginning with vowels. Okay, let's start. This is a rat. This is a rat. Be careful while using a or in. This is a rat. Here we have concepts of this, and also we have concepts of singular or plural. This is a rat. Rat is singular. Rat is one. That's we used a rat. We use this for one object. This is a rat. These are rats. We use these for more than one objects. These are rats. And the next sentence is this is a cup. This is a cup. A cup is singular. A cup. Cup is one. It means cup is singular. We use this for singular. This is a cup. And the next sentence, these are cups. We use these for more than one objects. Cups. It means here not one. It means here we have two, three cups. That's we used these. These are cups. And the next, this is a book. A book. It means here we have one book. We use this for one. This is a book. These are books. It means here we have not one. Here we have more than one books. These are books. This is a duck. A duck. It means this one is one, singular. We use this for one object. This is a duck. These are ducks. Ducks, it means we have more than one duck. We have 2, 3, 4 ducks. These are ducks. Next, this is an apple. An apple, it means here we have one apple. We use this for one. This is an apple. These are apples. It means here we have more than one apple. Apples, more than one. These are apples. We use these for more than one things, more than one objects. Next, this is a hat. Hat, it means here we have one hat. This is a hat. These are hats. These are hats. It means here we have more than one. Here we have more than one. And the next one is, this is a car. Here we have one. It means here we use this. We use this for one object. And one thing is near to us. These are cars. These are cars. Here we have more than one. We use these for more than one and they are near to us. This is a bag. ये एक bag है. A bag, one bag. It means here we have one. These are bags. We have more than one. These are bags. Our next topic is write sentences by using this is my and that is your. This is my, ये मेरा है and that is your, वो आपका है. Word sentences. Word bag. This is my bag. ये मेरा बैग है. And that is your bag. वो आपका बैग है. We use that for one object but that thing is far from us. Chair. This is my chair. ये मेरी चेयर है. Chair mean कुर्सी. And that is your chair. वो आपकी चेयर है. Answer by using my and your. My book is small. मेरी बुक छोटी है. Your ball is big. आपकी बॉल बड़ी है. My cat is small. मेरी कैट छोटी है. And your cat is big. आपकी कैट बड़ी है. Next we have dictation words. Dictation words list number 6. First one is chick, chin, torch, lunch. Workbook page number 40 and 41 is your homework. You have to complete these working with your parents. It was all about today's lecture. You have to learn these topics, use of this and these, my and your, with your parents. Inshallah, I will meet you in next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.